Hello everyone. Thank you for joining me. It is Sunday, and Sunday is almost up. It's September 1st. Boy, how time flies. Today I'm going to be doing something very simple for an A2 card, which is 5.5 by 4.25. And I am going to be using black cardstock, pretending it is my card base. So let's see how we can make a black card come to life. So hi to my subscribers and those of you who drop by to watch my videos. I truly appreciate you guys. I'm trying to get back to doing videos every Sunday, but I've been having a few setbacks. My apologies. But at this point, without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to be using lavender. It's a distress oxide ink by Tim Holtz that I'll be using. It would be like my, how should I put it? My base, my initial color base, like a white, just so that I can see how it, the rest of everything else does once I get it all filled up nicely. And just a little tip, I know I tend to forget to do that, but when you add in any ink, you really need to be starting from off the paper and go onto it, not like regular, because you can get like blotches, big blotches of ink here and there, and you don't want that. So I think I will leave it as that because it's a little challenging there. And I will go to the next step, which is using a stencil. I want something that will pop. Let's try an orange maybe and see if that will work. So the next step will be, I will just put this here. Just trying to get smaller circles around rather than the big old circles. Let me see. Okay, so maybe we can do this one. Okay, perfect. Okay, keep your fingers crossed. Let's see how this does. Oh, wow. It didn't look bad at all. Whoops. Nice. I like it. Okay. So here you go, guys. A nice way to make a color pop on black. Perfect. So thank you guys for watching. I shall see you guys next week.